So hey guys, welcome back to another session of AI Builders cohort. And now, congratulations to you for completing your week 1. And in this video, we are starting the week 2 where you will be building an actual AI application. And now let's start. Like in the last video, you explored and we came up with this kind of a PDF where, let me share my screen. You came up with this kind of a PDF where you got your idea, all the details related to idea, executive summary, what your application will be going to do, what are the other competitors on the same space, what is the market research, how big is the market, is it worth building an application or not, right? These are the competitors, like already existing app on the same space with the same idea. Now what are their shortcomings, what are their drawbacks of those applications that you can improve. Then we identified the some market gap and all those things. Then you proposed a MVP, minimum viable product, for your application. For this case, I'm choosing supplement AI. Now for you it will be a different app. It's the process will be the same. In this video I will be giving a process that you can use to build an application for yourself. I will be giving you a prompt that you will use, in that you can follow this video and use that prompt on your AI assistant and successfully build your app. And it also give you the tech stack and all those, so I will recommend you going through these each of them and see which is useful and why these tech stack is used. At least get a knowledge, get an idea of it. Once you are done with this, so it will give you a complete strategy and all those things. Just have a read of this. After this, just download this file. And once you download this, now we will go to our AI coding assistant. If you already not have downloaded the VS Code, just go to a new folder, search here VS Code, and go to this link, download this for your system. And you can watch a YouTube video as well to set up VS Code with GitHub Copilot. Now once you have done this and downloaded this PDF file on your system, new window, and in this new window, create a new folder. Make sure you are working on a new folder here. Go to code, create a new folder. I think I already have a folder. Yes, here, create a AIB week 2. Okay, I will name this and I will open this folder now. So this folder is empty right now. What I want you to do is paste your PDF file in this same folder now. So what we will do is we will drag that PDF that we have downloaded into the same folder. Now you have your PDF folder in the same PDF file in the same folder. Now what you will do is you can find the prompt in the video description or in the dashboard itself, and now you have to use that prompt and use that prompt here. Now what you will do is you will go to the description and copy this prompt. And before doing that, make sure that you are in the agent mode and you have choose the right model. Just see which model is better and which is available to you, and see which is the best model out of them and use that. You can explore that on Google about and read about these models more. Now paste the prompt here and you can read this prompt. We are saying the I have attached the PDF. Right now we can just attach this PDF to this code just by clicking on this. Okay, now this context of this will be going here. It contains a market research report, MVP proposal for a web application, right? And it will also follow the tech stack and everything it will do, and it will also build the UI clean, simple and mobile first and everything, right? And now let's just send this to the AI assistant and let's see like what it come up with. Now let's give it some time to write the code, test it and all those things. So it is saying that I'm going to first load the required workspace instruction file and then it will start step by step. Meanwhile, it do that, you can wait for some time, and then so it will basically read those PDF files first, what is in that, and it will try to understand the idea of this in much detail. So basically now again, as we discussed on the session 1, the context is important, and here we are providing the context. So this is the context that we are giving, that this is something that we need, and here this is the prompt that we are specifying, and based upon this it will generate the code. So now let's wait for some time, and then we will proceed ahead. Thanks. Now it will ask you to allow or skip for some commands. These are the commands that are restricted and that this AI cannot run automatically. So it will ask you, and you have to just click on allow. Also, if you will notice, it said that I found the PDF in the same document. So make sure that you have the PDF in the same folder. And now it is extracting the readable text from the PDF, and it was using that to build the MVP. Yes. So now it took me like for a 5 to 10 minutes, and it will take the same time for you. And now it has created a folder supplement AI and all the code related to that inside this file, like front end, back end, and everything. And now here, as you can see, it has completed all the process, and it has also deployed this application on the local system. And here you can see that development service is running and local URL is this. So that means I can test this application just by going to this URL. Again, this is not shareable to your friends. We will deploy it later in the later upcoming session in the week 3, from the week 3. But now we have this URL and we can test this application on our system. Now what all have it done is, you can just read this and you can understand, like, it has created the core pages, APIs, and we have discussed what APIs are and how they are important and what they does in our live session. And you can see, like, now it has started a deployment server now, and it has given the local URL, right? Now you can just go in this URL and see this, a cool looking interface we have now. Let's say supplement AI at the top. Now if you want to make it at the center, you can say that to the copilot and it will do that. And it asks you the 5 questions, and related to then it will create some recommendation. Okay, that's cool, amazing. So it says that primary supplement that I need is magnesium glycinate. And why? So you selected better sleep as the key priority, and for that this is the better, right? And it is also giving some neutral product suggestions. What are the other product that I can do, take, and what to look when you're buying. So again, this is very cool, right? Now you have your application just with the one single prompt, and it's just so quick. It will take you 5 to 10 minutes to just run this code, but yes, now you have this application. Now again, to improvise this, to make it more better, we can do that again in the later upcoming sessions. Now also you can see here we have export PDF. You can copy the results. If I export the result, it will give me a PDF file of my report, right? It says primary supplement. You can make this report more better, more useful later. Now you can take again, retake the quiz. So again, this is super amazing, right? Just with one prompt we have created the application. Now you can improvise that and make it more useful again in the upcoming session. So hope you try this with your PDF, and do let us know if there is any doubt on our email, aibuilder.space, right? Support at the rate aibuilder.space. And I assume that you have the uh, if you are getting the limit of this copilot, then again you can use other copilot as well, like cursor as well. The cursor UI is the similar to the VS Code, but it has a little high limit, so you will not reach a limit in this thing. So if you are getting a limit reached error here, so you can do the same steps, create a new folder, paste the PDF here on the cursor. So I give you the cursor. So to download the cursor, you can go here in the cursor and you can download it for your Windows or Mac OS and do the same process there as well. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video or in the live session, and do share your doubts and questions in the email below. Thanks for looking forward to your submission of your code. Great.